Sa kabila talaga siya. Hi, Miss Rufa! Hi! Hi, Marl! Hi, Miss Rufa, Marl! Nice meeting you po. Super pretty. Hi! Hello! Gritzy. Gritzy. Gritzy, para mabuhay sa atin.
Dito tayo sa elevator.
Pa-picture tayo saglit kaya dito. Minsan lang yung arrive. Sige. Out. Yeah. Sige, dyan, pa-picture muna tayo dyan, Liz. Okay, pa-picture tayo saglit dito. Mawala to ha, lagay ko dito. Yeah, sure. Oh, ito, sali ka dyan, Maya. Thank you.
How's the crime here?
Oh, super safe dito. Yeah. Pa-picture kami dalawa. Yan. Pa-picture tayo, okay lang.
Okay.
Thank you.
Oh.
Hi, girl. Hi. Super bait. Grabe.
Buy chocolates.
For 6.
And visit the Alps.
Gusto po namin pumunta sa yung Alps ba yun? Yung mukhang cobbler.
Ay, sorry. Isa pa.
Ay, sobrang malayo yun.
Ay, malayo po.
Yes.
2.
1 overnight. Yes. An overnight.
It's raining.
There were Filipinos that came in from Dallas. They're gonna go to the Matterhorn.
Malayo yun. Saka,
Foggy, wala silang makita.
sayang na.
Sayang.
Oh, same pa rin.
Pag inang makita mo,
Yeah.
not worth it. Saka ang ginawa pa.
So, welcome to Switzerland.
Yes.
First time nyo lahat?
May second time.
Second time.
Sila first time nila.
Balik kayo sa summer.
Yes.
Summer.
Mas maganda. Marami kayong mapupunta.
Yeah, spring or...
Yeah, pag marami.
Hatid na lang muna natin sila. Hi, ate. Kapatid ka ba ni Miss Rufa? Oo nga, no? At least nakita mo yung kapatid mo sa labas. Kamusta po yung biyahe?
I was sleeping the whole time. I think it was an hour and a half, no? From London. Yeah, I was sleeping. Hindi pa yata yung take off tulog na. I was not sleeping. Really sleep. Yeah, I was sleeping.
Okay.
Maybe the small one.
Kasya naman ata silang tatlo dito.
Iba. As far as I know, iba. Balik tayo.
Okay.
Sama ako sa inyo, ah.
Sa akin?
Oo.
Okay, sige.
So, see you na lang later. Bye! Tomorrow as well.
Tomorrow.